Hey, what's up everyone? If you're using Stripe for payments and ActiveCampaign for email marketing, you're going to love this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to connect your Stripe account directly to ActiveCampaign to streamline your payment processing and follow-up emails. Let's get into it. All right, so you want to go here where you see this gear icon in the settings, and you want to click on integrations. So this integration with Stripe for tracking e-commerce activity will allow you to see data related to purchases made in Stripe directly inside your ActiveCampaign account without having to use a third-party tool like Zapier. It will also let you sync customer and purchase data from Stripe into ActiveCampaign, and you can use Stripe data like purchase amount, product purchase to trigger automations, create segments, and to personalize communications. So if you go here, add an integration, there's a short list, Shopify, WooCommerce, and 4 others. And we want to go here, visit our app directory for more integrations. So we click on that. For Stripe, under the available integrations, here it is. Click on that. And then we're going to add an account. All right, it says create or update ActiveCampaign data from Stripe events. And here we're going to log in and authorize the connection between ActiveCampaign and Stripe. You're going to need your Stripe API token. So you just copy that and paste it here. Then you can go ahead and click on Connect. Once you grant access, Stripe will now be connected to ActiveCampaign. So after connecting, you can configure how Stripe data is used in ActiveCampaign. You can set up automations that are triggered by purchases, create segments based on Stripe purchase data, and you can do so much more. So basically, this means that Stripe data like purchase info will show up in ActiveCampaign without needing third-party automation tools. And that's it. Every time someone completes a payment on Stripe, ActiveCampaign will handle the email follow-up automatically. If you haven't tried ActiveCampaign yet, hit the free trial link in the description and start automating your processes today. I'll see you in the next one.